Hello all.
De Kackmucke geht eh nicht. Der Kackmikro auch nicht. Guck. Da passt schon wieder. What is just gonna happen here? What just happened to Spotify? Oh, this fucking son, I just hate it so much. Come on, dude, it's for 5 minutes actually load up. Oh my god. 2 weeks ago I just played that game? Oh, must be busy or something, all the shit. Where are my earplugs at? Dual mode. I forget that actually the background of the game is just presenting me all the times kinda blue screens, but actually it's the game itself. It's kind of background loop just stopping sometimes, thinking actually my microphone's broken, it's cracked. What is this? CarX on. Still here. I'm busy. Oh, dann reiß dich mal zusammen hier, Spotty. Something is just loading or downloading or virus uploading or... Oh man, hard wheel day. She's up. I'm really fucked. 3 days I was working on this conscript there. I was bored. End up actually like addicted to something. Let's have a drink. Cheers. Keines Problem, ich habe bloß kurz schnell geschissen. In the end, I succeeded, but the game failed. The story gets worse, these chapters get worse. I really do not know how you want to deal done actually in 3 hours that complete game, even on soldier or recruit or... This is complete bullshit. So 4 days no smoke, no drink. What just kinda wanna happen? Actually imploding. I'm so sorry, my nose is so big and full of the snot. Where are my earplugs at? Putty. Oh man. Oh, still doing it. Spotty, you still there? Why you pay? Why just get paid? Oh man, I was starting up like this teaser girl there. Actually, started in the end. Actually, if I wanna sell something, I wanna buy something from you. Oh, hold on. You just wanna sell something on me, right? Why you wanna buy something from me? No, hold on. Oh, no, I'm going crazy as well. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Sundays like that. I think I talked actually a lost time for myself, to myself 4 days ago, as we were going a little nuts about the isolation on the basement roof stuff. So it's about 100% and my computer froze up or something. This crack. Oh, whatever. Let's just keep it going. Somehow I just totally forgot to favorize cars that I just still have. But I think I just did that because these are, this is my 5th account and I get bored. But these are just making colorizing the cars over now 5 years now. It's boring me. Even on these other games now, these motorsport or something from the crew. I don't want to play it anymore. I just was in the morning time. It just came on the game. I saw since a week I played. Thought okay. 2 playlists missed. 48,000 on worldwide. Fuck it, that just was going off so fast. Immediately actually I saw that this is fake. fun anymore to play these big crew. I mean, I just favorizing actually non-colored car or optionals colored, but I just getting on them now. What most I hate, I don't see actually in D.R.O natures. They did something on them. Do we hear a little music in the background? I just was making this account up for, what was the game calling? Yeah, this is last year, man. We have June. Asphalt Legends Unite, because pretending actually Unite Legends as well, the saying something like Asphalt 9 or something. But you know, it's just like, say, I just created a game game account actually only because that game, so I just opened up actually an account for this one here as well for fun. And then ended up last year actually like on a friend, like I just wanna use normal cars without suspension work by drifting against him and having fun. Where he was on all the times with other stuff busy, like he was busy on suspension work, but you know, it was a 50-50, sometimes you want more, sometimes less, but it was fun, so that's why I created this kind of car mess, better say, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, Spotify must be getting ready here, but somehow, computer says I give you just a black screen. Thanks for that shit. So, I go to my solution, called cell phone. Whenever the last time I listened to music over the cell phone, with earplugs and Spotify in a live stream, 2 months, something like. Man, I'm even get sweaty inside. Hear the pumping up, battery high, something was getting downloaded. 99% done on Spotify. Even get faster like on computer system. It has 274 songs to download. 200. Holy shit. 180. Yeah, it took a little while, okay. But it's fast. And computer programs just don't want to even open up. Maybe show something here? Freak. Okay, I end up Spotify then on computer system because it's just a black mess. Since more than actually a year I didn't actually get offline the computer system. Maybe that's why. A restart would be, but you know, now I'm fearing more the restart of a computer system that a computer system not wants to get actually open up anymore. It just may just, you know, freeze and die then. See, I have black screen. It's still there, I can open things, but I have black screen on Spotify. I don't nothing. Yeah. Give it a little time. Download done on cell phone. So gotta be right back. I just need to get actually here the ventilation system. Station 2. I want you to buy me actually some kind of climatic stuff in my room, but you know it's kind of between 100 and 1,000. You can have everything. Can get cooled by what's it calling, these kind of, you can actually have in a freezer as well and get it out and lay it into that, you know, objective of your behavior and fill it with water as well to cool actually the room, blah blah blah, climatic. But you know, it's just like they're so big. I feel more like this in the workroom because the workroom's small, right? That my computer systems, or better say actually my systems actually not overheating, but actually kind of having get in contact with a little water, you know, dampy water, better say, or something. And no, this is like I say, it's too small, that room. Just use a ventilation system like an ordinary normal person. So still blue, black screen on here. Nein, abmelden, schließen, anzeigen. Let's play something. Okay, he's playing something in computer system, but the computer system has seriously a black screen on Spotify. Why? You playing Staffelstein on PC? But I don't get to see what I'm playing actually because it's a black screen, so I see and on my cell phone. Using the cell phone now. Ah, whatever. I don't know what's going on here on Spotty. Whatever. Computer. The best idea to start up to drink. Ah, man. Just, whoa, I caught it myself. He's stupid. Hey, sharp, man. Hold on. Just try to open, right? This here. Ah, man. Get closer, stupid son. I already caught it in here in my finger. And guess what kind of finger? No joke. Because I was hanging inside of this. But open up actually the can of beer. You piece of crack. I have these actually since more than 7 years now. That's the first time. Can nobody see that? Nah. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, you can see. But I need to twist it. I don't know where to twist my finger in. Already twisted in the can, man. Stop doing this. I'm so sorry, guys. I just caught myself here. It's on the wrong side, on the wrong place. sorry. I apologize on myself. On all the people that are watching. And nobody's watching anyway, I know that, but exactly that part will happen the whole fucking week. All the times you're thinking nobody's watching, people watching. You see two watchers here on YouTube? That's wrong. That's wrong information. But he's shit. 15 minutes talking to himself. Alright, cheers up then. So there's nothing else to be done here anymore. I'd like to try to get level 30 done. Wow, that's the beer from Wednesday or something. Wow, dude. Oh. What I'm trying right now is drinking beer from kind of 4 days old. Oh. I still have a little bit sparkle in there. But seriously, no, turning into German English. Yeah, the whole hype like that crack, alright. So, let's just have some fun. Oh man, that ring just got in here. They say that's drift. The devil's in me. Let's do a beginner track because I'm the biggest loser here on screen. I know it changed something for a couple of weeks ago. Can't remember. Let's just see what happened. Here it is on. What? I think I got it. Something like to say I stopped playing that game here. But just for 1 hour of irritation for the gaming. Let's just have fun. Stretching in my throat. These old wrestler. I don't know. mad, man. These are not original. Even I pay $80 for that. I have full speed, middle speed, and nothing speed. The throttle is 0 to 100. You would say Sony. 800 milliampere. Again had, I don't know why that added on, but we already had a little crash. I crashed today my controller a bit. By an accident, I tried actually air hitting. Came in a little bit on the chair, so the L1 button was actually jumping out of the controller. What the hell? Hey, for 10 years on the PlayStation 4, I crashed controllers into everything until it broke, and it took me a while. Now it's just one hit and the half controller is broken. And I'm sort of to say, I'm more like actually gently now by hitting, instead for 10 or 20 years ago. What is wrong with everything? I think the computer needs a new start or something after a year. You see, my mom may never came back or something like this crack anymore. May just say then, here we go again. Live? It's live off. I put live on again after the F5. Alright, now it's here. Now we have one watcher. What is this crap? I give up. Let's do this one and go inside. Yeah, right. Cell phone still says 2 people. What is this joke? Whoa, holy shit! Why we get so much point? What there? 333 million? Well, I got a 400 million now. Holy macaron! I wish the multiplicator or something on the XP is going a little bit faster up. Most people's is impossible. Like also I can't do something on the safe wizard anymore because it does all the times an error. I even talked to them since a half year now on the safe wizard dudes, but they give a fuck on people's. They just bring out children games to cheat around. Took them 2 years to give away actually conscripted, as I bought that for 2 years ago, the deluxe edition. Conscript, I'm sorry. These bastardos. And every fucking year you pay $50 for them. I mean, okay, that's actually okay. $50 actually for kind of a little help here and there, and having fun on hexing, editing, and the advanced mode. That is actually, that's cool. You feel like a little part of that game save, just doing that, uploading and helping people for a little while around. Man, my nose thick, bro. Must be the bad beer or something. That makes me bitter, dude. What was that? Not even a kilometer? I should bring up, like, I don't know, some mixed stuff. Where's the chat crack? Yeah, I know that info's in there. Give me dot chat. You really want to have that on? I think that was the wrong one. That's the right button. Already dislearning everything. Chat. Oh my god. Mine's fucked too. Yeah. What? Takeshi personal. If you take Takeshi, oh yeah, okay, the I is missing. If you take she personal on a game. The funk disco. fair little bro. Here we go, that's why. That's the part I just changed, I think, because I was reading this. Why are you trying to kick me out? I did nothing. Like little children, you know. Did nothing. Just up a car. Right there. Good to see that, Doxy. What the hell? I don't know. Actually, you gate is this? You gate is it drifting? Oh my hell! What the heck is that? Yeah. Welcome to that crack. Let that do whatever that. Let's check some car out. I can't remember actually what I just done the last time. The roll for that little time. Halloween next to something this crap. She got a blast on her tent. What the heck? Oh yeah, Halloween ready, right? Let's have actually a car made for non-drifting intro drift. Oh my god, I know I can't beat that. Let's lose a race. Oh, I hate that to do. Because it's too stable. It's just all about the sound. And still actually that crap don't work. Come on, Spotty. What is wrong with you? I don't want to do that right now. Empty the shell menu. Sure. Why not deactivate actually UAVG or something? Okay, that was beer with less bubbles. Now to a whatever, just abgepeint, das war sowieso das Gold raus, die Nähe. Ihr wisst schon. Alright. 22k. Nah. Not in my mood. We have lights. Heaven, hell, underwear. Oh no, here we go. Not crack. It's a time attack car. It makes a wonderful circuit boost down. close, close. But hell, I don't know why. I like that whole sound. I have it on drift, I think, as well, but you know. Can you hear it? I hate Sunday. Guess why? What the hell is wrong with you? Less drinking, nothing happens down below, eating too much. I feel like I'm an old guy already. Rotten with something from inside out. Best time is just fucked it up and oh man. I'm already brain dead or something. Oopsie poopsie. Where that crap came from. Oh my hellness. Yeah, I can't. That's my problem. I'm normally sending actually Spotify links. I can't. Oh man, now I'm disappointed on myself. Puh. I did chat actually, you know, kinda how's it work? Here it goes. Yeah, sure. First time on the game, looks good. How you doing? Hä? What is wrong with Panther? Yeah, of course you could be done that stuff. Oh. Jetzt habe ich Knechtkrips gelesen, ne Chris. Alles gut. Yeah, that makes sense. Panda download, the re-editor, and delete layer. He tried to say actually if you can edit them. Yeah, well then. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, exactly. Cheers, kiddo. What is this? I hate that 67 stuff there. Earlier these days, these 69, and now they're actually sucking on toes or something? Each other. Don't know. The whole foot? Oh man, my movie's starting up. Alcohol, it's so fine ass. WSP remembers me on grid. Ah, well, what happened here? So the bombers with age. No, with age, not with AIDS. Age! That's not what you're complete. Why is it not actualizing by itself? Barak in here. Something like, you know, chilling out for like kind of 40 years ago in his, you know, study home or something with us. My fellow Americans and stuff like that, you know. Say the German. What's going on? What is your favorite car to drift? How's the wife? Are they talking to Obama now? Really? Mike Lee or NGL? The cliche might need to slime to run. Or what? No. So he has a... yeah. Yeah, whatever. So, okay. Let's keep on moving somewhere else. Next vehicle, please. What happened to this car? Oh my hellness, I see something that shouldn't actually appear in here. The driver anyway. Still sitting in his old chairs there? I froze. Yeah, I really wish I can actually deal down with links in here, but not denied. What? He didn't check his wife? Ah, yeah. He's a comedian, huh? Yeah. I have a joke, but I can't translate it from German and English. It's terrifying. Has something to do with a orange wig, you know. Well, forget about it. Bull crack. I hate silvers. Later on then. Checking some Anniversary out. The rally track Army Road. As you see, actually I cleaned my space place avatar's room actually, better say, in here. About Guyver Mac, Nitro'theBat, and actually PowWow'theCat. Did it done with the wash machine as well. Why is this Google looking so weird? And where's watching at? So even the green screen are washed. And now it's the first time I'm smoke after a week actually in this room. So we have to wash tomorrow then again. I'm just kidding. Actually, I think the green screen actually washed over 4 years, not anymore. So I thought let's wash it, so everything's fine as. Yeah, and the caps of tequila, just the hats, better say, just gone. I mean, they're still there. Kinda, you know. Tried. Failed. Holy moly, I saw actually today in the PlayStation store for the PlayStation 4. Yeah, I'm still dealing done the game. Yeah, the console of PlayStation 4. There's actually the thing remastered in there. Thought that's only actually for PlayStation 5 and stuff like that. That's since actually close to 2 years out there. God damn it! I played that actually first. The next day, actually 2002, I watched the movie on Halloween. And at December at 2002, I make a parody of that complete movie by kind of resynchronizing actually that stuff. That's the problem, in German. But I watched it in the morning time, and it was already fun as hell. But I never came to the end because actually, as a 14 years old, my throat broke up, and that was the first time actually I have these. No, 12. That was the first time. The second time actually in my life that my throat was broken. Like you can talk anymore. You can't even whimper something. It's just that was terrible. Because I told myself before you start up to go to work, the first time in your life for the construction work, that's still done over the winter time. Actually, a movie to synchronize with Kurt Russell, and stuff like this. And but I was in German in this time because my English I started up with I think 21 or something. Teach myself. 2008, right? Something like this, crack. So yeah, well, that was a terrible, terrible time in that situation. Like started up the PlayStation 3 and the camera and Big Brother style, and Oh man, I miss that time. Now I'm old like sack. I'm still standing in Shiner. Not falling away. Man, I'm smoking more than I'm drinking and talking more like I'm drifting. Welcome to CarX, a D.R.O. Drift racing offline, online? That's weird, right? Yeah, well then come out in us or something like that. Some bitch. Crack. Every game I'm worse. Even in this. I'm not made for gaming. We're actually over 30 years. Something changed. Yeah, it's the 050 and 100% shift controller. You could have bought it out for $80. It was a crack, man, not today. Rage is driving. 24K. My goodness. There's something coming up. Still terrible. Yeah. Give us more XP for that single player. Look at that 251k on Dolaran. What is this other squirt? That's 640. They should change it into 6,400 to get a little bit, you know, having more fun in that game. It takes forever to level 30 to platinize that game, right? No. Heck no. Pick my car. I'll get better after a year. 5 years in this game. Fully actually 3 years. Still ring around, I mean. Yes, but you still have a black screen on my desktop computer here. Yeah, mama, how can I download the delivery that I did? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, that worked again. Yeah, you pressing triangle. What is the best maps? Where are we from? Planet Mars? talking is over here? Now the Japanese talking English? Forget about that one. What is that? The Hackster? Yo. Oh! Man. Well, I know actually his language. Yeah, wow. Good ideas I got. Fifth account, get bored by actually painting cars. Hell Christ. There's so many things to tell. It's all this shit. Like this crack. Can't even... Dude. Oh, that's so funny, huh? You must be a comedian as well, you fool. Man. Can't remember, is that drifting? We will watch. But that music is so fine ass, I missed that somehow. The spotty I pay for $11 a month. Hold on, he say parking B, right? There's no parking B. Oh, he got you. Yeah, there's actually these kind of root.com or something maps, right? Or can't remember what kind of name that was again. Yeah, alright, what the hell is in here? It's not pure. Counterwise, cheers up, campaign, struggle, so do for good, next. Naja, choked. Bring some light in this map. With the Flare Central region. So scary. the guy's ship. Definitely. Hang your ship to sink. Having a problem actually. Sounds true. Emissions. Oh, my ass. Holy crap, that was tequila, man. Fuck! Oh, that's it? Token delivery, is that real fun? True. Yeah, silent. It's just silent. Drifting is fun, and that's what the wipes is do or made for. No way, smoking out on Zulu. Benjamin, what's that? Crack. I just said crack for shit. Don't worry. I hate the word shit all the time to tell. So I say crack for that. Somebody say fart. Hallucinating. I'm saying I should burped. Sorry, I say always burp. I smoke CarX exhaust. That is nice, man. Emission free for you, man. Can come every time your car actually into inner cities, bigger cities. But please inhale the heat. Have a diesel car in LA, you're free. You have a green ticket for actually inside of, bigger cities. I'm not just kidding. Don't inhalate exhaust smoke. Crack. Right? Fuck. It's 86. Really? I think I just did that because the tire work is actually on 120% or something. That's correct. That's some more. Just give us a little horsies. Yeah. It's not bad looking. There's a Stardust missing somehow, but it's doing it. Turbo exhaust. Turbo exhaust. Yes. Missing brain files as well on myself. I see. You harvest something. The burst. Brain soup. You see the map? That's even confusing behind this for actually single player. It's all about actually all the times the night stuff. Whoa, easy up, honestly. See that just like actually changed my HDD to an SD drive. It's now even faster. Even it was actually from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 4 Pro that the console is getting faster, but loading, well, now the loading time is actually even double times faster, and that just fears out a little while. I can't even drink at the same time. Oh, now you see actually the goggles of Guyver Mag hanging a little bit wrong. It's like actually he's dead, drunk, and somebody just get him goggles to protect his eyeball. Yeah, well, he's chilling out, but actually not chilling out like the cam says. He's watching actually up the roof, but he's seriously into that screen here. This is weird. Yeah, you know, for kind of a month ago, I calibrated the console, knew about from the HDD to an SD or something. So everything needs to get actually, you know, restarted new. So even actually these kind of camera, just, you know, you have to focusizing with your eyes actually the camera then. So that's why it looks a little weird or something then. Oh, man, I need a beer. It can't be that 3 people's watching. Definitely not from Germany or something. Oh, what the hell? The fridge says some beer we still have. Rest is lemonade beer. That taste is good. Weather condition gets next week actually a little hotter. Tomorrow I have a free day, but I'll be busy definitely. Get empty cans away, buy me some. Oh, well, that's actually it, but the next days we're working with Strasseside. Ugh, fuck that, really. Here and there we have, of course, jobs. But over 30 degrees. They just say 39 or something, the top. What the heck? They're gonna have me as a roasted chicken or something coming home here. Don't need a grill anymore then. Barbecue grill. Cheers auf Kampagne, Schwab ist die Liter Blut, Gold, Brot, die next Experiment hat er must by the way. Oh, that is cold. 2 minutes aside and come out of the mouse. It's crack. Somehow the round per minute or the core range won't work. Finished. Seriously, that 448 non-XP, it's just so boring me. God, the man get a little sloppy tonight, huh? I finally know who's watching. I can talk about myself, but funktioniert. Die Schwätze mit dem Berber-Teamplastern, Alter. Wird da morgen richtig vorgehen, Alter. Wird den Verbraucherschützer auch davon wissen lassen. Auch diese Bestätigungen dafür, Alter. Dass es absoluter Müll ist. can fart again. After so long time.
I can decide actually that's pretty good because everybody's louder like that when you're done there. So I can't get the music up there. I gotta pause that. Starting at 45 yesterday, then on that part. Yeah, that was huge. Might have wondered actually that I'm stopped talking about crack, I said it's crack.
Nur idag. Kommt das Ding jetzt wieder oder wie ist das? Who's John?
Oh, who's that?
Alright, Spotty is restarting right now.
See if that worked.
It worked, oh my god. And it says I have to make it straight. Alright. I can't even remember.
We've done the silhouette of idiocy. Dual brain activated.
Check some on yourself, my friend. Well, you did twice. It's 68479. One. Completely forgot that one. It's inactivated. Continue to the application.
Okay, let's see what the application I didn't done now. It was still a black screen, blue screen, blah blah blah, black screen.
Wonderful, help nothing. You say you pick up. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Ah, finally it works. I think that has something to do done actually with so long not being activated on our computer system. We broke. We got connection. Looks good. Need to speak pros to the wall. CarX, because I just updated that one for a couple of days ago. Who's that DefNation4Real for sake this crack? Okay. Oh. Takes forever. Finally I can move actually the box. There we go, come on, it finally works. 4 saves, holy shit. Okay, I say all times, bring it up actually in a live chat. Can't do it right now. Oh, takes forever.
is it loading all the time? 750 songs already got actually. That is crazy. That was just like, you know, sitting actually in a compound and stuff like that. Exactly at 250. Since 2021. Okay. I could do. I think something is wrong with that program, even itself. It takes forever actually getting you the live jam. You know, live jamming. Finally, here we go. Copy.
About I am list near while here URL. Enjoy.
Dieser Kampagne, ich war bisher so gut braucht die nicht geschissen. Mit Schwung, mit Anlauf. Oh my god. They see your time as it is. Why had the chat just been gone? Original expectations coming up in here with the exhaust. I don't want to do down that stuff. No one. Moth came in. Want a drink? We're loaded up in 8, 9 seconds. It's instead of 12 seconds, or instead of 15 seconds from the PlayStation 4, 12 seconds PlayStation 4 Pro, 9 seconds on the new SSD, actually the hard drive on the PlayStation 4 Pro. But this is a server game, and that's the problem. So You can have a fast hard drive, whatever you want, best console, when the server ain't, drop some fast enough digits.
More time for drinking or something's crack.
Vamos. About the multiplication point, we are ordinary drifters. Much like the vehicle, but somehow like but that's the girl later. Hope she's good, she's fine. Shot up a baby doing something of that nature. That Bucky Sonny. That's something on the music, man. Bring it in here. Much good. Always missing up the skull. The surf. Green time. Offline again. How many people's hanging around in the game and anyway in the live stream?
Let's give a watch.
Is that even possible on the PlayStation 5? On the PlayStation 4 you can dongle around on your game, trending, and I see only one person actually even done the self. Myself, Christopher Berg. Sunday's leftover, yeah. Late night club. Old hoonies. Oh no, 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 no. Here we go. Oh man, I hate my jokes, but let's bring it on a real TV or something, this crap. Yeah, I think I'll make some pictures. Ain't not so bad. Details missing, but okay. When we believe in Christ and God raising him from dead to be saved, summary, blah blah blah. God was nice, he put his own kids in hell. Yeah, as I say, Jesus is in hell in the wine section. Or sector. When I'm reading that, man, that's very fun somehow. Alright then. I don't believe there's a God. Sue. Keep rolling, we talked about actually the red wig anymore. A long time. There's the wasp with the wig. Motherfucker. El presidente del waspo. Nah, that is good shit. I just worked on that. Just a couple of a minute or something I just did. Like it. Maybe because these Underground 2 music or 1 music I can't remember. Get low, the Little John, you know. Will fill your drift. Something happened here. Let them run these lambs. These lambs. I don't believe in booth, not anymore. Since I was 6, as I teach get actually by my stepmother. She stole everything and made my life to hell. 6 years. As I say, I hate silvers. I hate silvers. A little brother gold bullet action in your brain. Man, I think I need to get actually a little. Oh my god, the door was so closed. Having a little whiz run. Be right back. Oh, what the hell is that anyway? Why is it still so warm in here? Weather condition servers just actually say, you know, it's gonna make a little boom for 2 hours long. That was nothing. That was nothing. This weather condition server sometimes it's a piece of crack. And they're just dealing done as some kind of say, you know, it's just we have all the times these butterfly effects, similarity to the weather condition servers. Every hour it can be changed. But 20 years ago, I can remember myself, you know exactly what kind of day you're actually entering in and what kind of weather condition you have on this day. Since 10 years, actually, they just making scammers. And now they scam us and choking around. Like yesterday, as I was saw actually, oh yeah, close up door. It's 39 degrees or something over the, you know, week, this coming up week. Complete bull crack. Time for some magnesium calcium. There's nothing in there, right? Oh yeah, there's one left. Some white powder. Double hard sport active. I feel like I'm drinking much, so I'm sport active. Oh, crack. Cheers up, guys. Bah, bitter as crack. 10 p.m. in here in Bavaria, Germany. Thank you very much for watching, you all, on these 84 minutes here right now on the live stream. Perfect selection, dude. Like you did, actually. Ah. That's not actually into my face. Sixth line. Let's go, let's low. Should we get low? It's different. King of Crunk. Crunk list hits. Double in the playlist. Push it in my ear. He's the madman. Somebody asked what the hell I'm dealing done with. It's alcohol, smoking, and idling around watching outside. But open up the shutters. That's the cam butter. And the earplugs just went off the ears. It's the fat smalt. Was heißt Schmalz auf Englisch? Puh. Even I cleaned my ears for 4 years ago. Yeah, for 4 hours ago. In 4 hours I'm left in my life. Close to 40 actually hours as well. So years or hours? Second can of beer today. Another one, please. Man, he's so bloaty. Too much cheddar cheese or something in my food at the morning time. Oh, it was midday. What's up, Moth? You're not hiding in front of the TV, aren't you? Mother Mouse. Car safe, move yourself. Can't do that, man. Technical issues or something with the TV. Hey, sweetheart. A little, you know, a little bit in the TV corner. Okay, the music. So then put it in a little bit in my ears. It's going crazy. Yeah. restart. XP gun lost. Restart. The record build say 16044. Nah. Speed still there. Puta madre, it's just the first corner, vámonos. Much better, Buttercup. Bring it home. That was right. Really crashed. I don't care. They get no kiss the wall. Too hard impact. The hobbies giveaway actually some credit or dollars actually for this time and for the notification, but why not for the key? What the hell? So regulated crap. Wow. Well, you go nuts. Better option. Question for about millions. There's only actually one answer. A. God. It's the Blondie sound, I love it. Dream Logic. Snake. Bimmy! Alright, you have no setup, I see. Ultimate created. Don't want to even buy something. That car needs to go through It doesn't matter where. Just hang up a little while. Original BMW.
BMW Underground Stuff URL.
Get down here. Twisting so fast. Are we comfortable? The hell is that now? Are we on Japanese but English? Oh man, the game is broken or something's cracked. The game is under maintained, that is correct. You never will find out. What I'm racing then, when I don't can win? What the hell is this? What a waste of life. Oh, that's weird. Where's the turbocharger? Gone. Broken.
404 not found.
It appears. Thank you very much for watching. That beat, man. Play the game of bumps later. Every game is different. I love it, but you know. Fuck it. Festival, teach me a bit. Just 6 minutes, my homeboy. Here and there. Det var vänta. The 6 minutes. Ja. Did it do so? 35 seconds. The fuck is this? Ci sa campana lo strove salute su tutto il post in XP. Oh man. Life is so boring. Time for a little bit on DefNation4Real. Motorfest, the crew. Thank you very much for watching here only a while. A little bit late, but I don't care. Alcohol takes over my brain.